Hey girl, and welcome back to the Pink Bubble. So today we are doing this cute glitter green liner look, and if you like what you see and you're interested in this look, keep on watching. So I'm starting off with the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the number 4, and I'm just going to blend that out all over my lid. Alright, so today we are doing this whole look with the 35V Stunner Vibes palette, and the first shade that I'm using is just this light beige, just because it's closest to my skin tone and we need something for the brown color to blend into. Next, we're taking this light brown color and we are going to put that in the crease, and I'm going to build that crease up, and then I'm going to start to blend upward toward my brow, just so it can be visible before we put that black on top. Okay. So next I'm going to grab the black and start to pack that into the crease area. And this is just a repetitive motion that I'm just going to continue to build up the black until it's deep enough of how I like it. And then I'm also blending upward toward that brown color, just to make sure we have a seamless blend, going back and forth as long as it takes, girl. Make sure it's blended in, okay? And then I'm going to grab some more product from the brown color, and I'm going to play back in between those, making sure that the brown is blending in with the black, and then going back with the black to make sure that the black is blending in with the brown, period. And now for the fun part, I am using my Glow Up Academy glitter in the style Titanium. And I am using my eyelash glue to make sure that this glitter stays in place and it don't go nowhere. So I do work my glitter in different sections. So I put some glue on and then I tap some glitter on. Put some glue on, tap some glitter on, because sometimes when the glitter dries too quickly, then the glitter does not stick. So take your time, work it in sections. And once all that glitter is on, I just use my finger just to kind of press the glitter in place to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. All right, y'all, for this liner, so I don't know the name of this liner. Neither did I really see what I was buying. I was on Amazon looking for colorful liners or whatever, and it came with like a pack of 12 or 13, and I just bought it. And I have to be honest, y'all, I did not like this liner at all. It was not giving that color payoff in one line, in one tap, I should say. And when it dried, it's like it made my eyes really stiff, and I ain't like that. But it came out really cute though. For my lashes, honestly, I don't remember what lashes these were. I never throw away my lashes. I honestly just take them off and put them up. So I just grabbed some lashes that was the closest to me just to throw on, y'all. It was like 12 o'clock at night with me doing this. So then I'm just going to use the black eyeshadow to put in my waterline and grab these two shimmery colors in the palette to put in my tear duct. Alright girl, so let's move on to the face. I am using my TooFaced Hangover primer, my favorite. And then I'm just going to conceal my face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige. I am trying a new foundation routine today, which I love trying, so this is new for me. So I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in the color 440 for my contour areas. And then I'm just going to grab my e.l.f. Beauty Blender and blend all of this out. I really do love these beauty blenders though from e.l.f. because they're nice and fluffy. They're not hard or anything like that. I really like these. And then I'm going to use a smaller e.l.f. Beauty Blender to blend out the contour areas. So I'm just going in with my Laura Mercier and setting the highlighted areas with the loose powder. Alright, so now I'm just going to use the actual foundation color that I use from Anastasia, and that is the 440, and I'm going to put that under the contour area just because I didn't put any product under that area and I wanted to blend it with my skin as best as possible. And now I'm just going to use some more powder just to carve out under the contour area to make sure that's snatched and flawless, okay? So now I'm going in with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in dark to wipe away the excess powder off my face. And then I'm going to also grab the dark deepest to set my contour, because honestly the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish just really gives your face a flawless look, a flawless finish. And to highlight, I am going to use my Morphe 8Z Star Blazer palette. And to finish this look off with the lips, I am using my MAC Creme de Nude lipstick and the NIGHTMOTH lip liner. And I'm grabbing my favorite lip gloss from Melita, I believe, and throwing some lip gloss off to give me a little shimmer, a little pop. Set my face with some Morphe setting spray, and your girl is done. So thank you for watching, girl, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.